The suture plate is a device designed to repair fractures of the top of the humerus or arm bone. If left untreated, these fractures would limit motion of the arm and lead to the development of arthritis. The surgeon begins by exposing and lining up the bone fragments that are fractured. The suture plate is then inserted and provisionally pinned to the arm bone. Once the surgeon is satisfied with the position of the fracture and the suture plate, a screw is placed in the lower end of the plate. This holds the plate tightly to the bone. A second screw is then inserted into the top portion of the plate to secure the upper end of the bone. These screws are specially designed to lock into the suture plate to increase the strength of the repair. The pins are removed, and the surgeon then places screws in the remaining holes to complete the repair of the fracture. When a high-energy fracture occurs, the rotator cuff tendons often remain attached only to small pieces of bone. The rotator cuff and its bony attachments can be repaired by suturing them to small holes in the outside edge of the suture plate. This reinforces the repair and helps restore function to the shoulder.